When it comes to cleaning your TV, the biggest mistake people make is grabbing whatever's under the sink. Kitchen roll, window spray, even disinfectant wipes. But just using harsh chemicals or paper towels is one of the quickest ways to permanently damage your TV screen. Here's actually what you need: distilled water, a spray bottle, a soft microfiber cloth, and if you prefer, a gentle microfiber duster. That's it. No chemicals, no harsh cleaners. Okay, let's start by turning off the TV and unplugging it, as dark screens make dust and fingerprints easier to see. Now, using your microfiber cloth, or if you prefer your duster, gently wipe across the screen using light pressure, as TVs today are extremely delicate. Now, if you can still see smudges or fingerprints, lightly mist distilled water onto your microfiber cloth, never directly onto the TV, and gently wipe the screen again in slow control movements. Now, this is usually enough to take care of stubborn marks without risking any damage. But if you've got a stubborn mark, that distilled water just won't shift. Some TV brands do allow a very mild soap solution. So I'm just going to add 1 tiny drop of dish soap to 1 cup of water. Dampen the microfiber cloth. Don't soak the whole thing. And gently wipe the area. Always check your TV manual first, because not every screen is designed for soap. Now, using the other side of your dry microfiber cloth, we're going to gently rub over our TV screens, giving it that polish and shine. Now, a reminder: no window cleaner, no alcohol wipes, no all-purpose sprays, no tissues, and no kitchen roll.